You have yogurt at home? If not, get some for next time. In a bowl, I have 400 g of whipping cream mixed. Using any mixer, beat it well until it doubles in size. Once it reaches that point, we're ready to go. Let's add everything to our yogurt. Now, using a whisk, let's mix it all thoroughly. This is the perfect consistency. Now let's pour it into the same yogurt mold we used earlier. Next, we'll add popsicle sticks. If you prefer, you can use another container for ice cream. Now we'll put it in the freezer until it's firm. Look how amazing these popsicles turned out. Super quick, easy, and delicious. Best of all, you only need 2 ingredients. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Try making it at home. That's another recipe from Pobre na Cozinha. Big hugs, see you next time, and thanks.